Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Anis Hazimah binti Kamar Azman and I am from Janatul Ain. Today I am going to make a cooking video. This task was given by my English teacher, Teacher Nabila. I really like the idea of this task because this is an opportunity and a chance for me to improve my cooking skill, and at the same time I can release my stress because all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. You know, maybe some of us out there spend their time 24/7 with books. Like I said, this task really can help you relax. I'm going to make a kuih raya called chocolate coated diced almond. Well, this dessert is easy and simple to make because you don't need to prepare many ingredients for the recipe. What are we waiting for? Let's proceed!
If you found the one, you should never give her up.
As you guys can see, here are all the ingredients that we need. Okay, first we have chocolate compound, half cup of diced almond, the food container. Okay, so that's all that we need. Okay, actually this is the original one, so I arrange it onto this board. Okay, next I'm going to burn these diced almonds using this white pan and make sure it is low heat. Stir them well. Pour the diced almonds into a big bowl. After that, melt the chocolate compounds. Next, put the chocolate compounds into the microwave and melt them for 10 seconds 3 times. After 30 seconds, stir the chocolate compounds until they melt perfectly. After a few seconds, pour the chocolate into the exact same bowl that contains almond, the diced almonds. Then stir them well until all the ingredients are well combined. After that, put the mixture into the container. Just like this. I'm going to put this into the fridge. I can't show you guys what's inside this fridge because it is my privacy. After 10 minutes, it is very scrumptious. You guys should taste this. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe Teacher Nabila's YouTube channel. Bye. Assalamualaikum.